Hello, this is Scott with Apple Chevrolet here in Tinley Park, Illinois. I am here today to show all some of our new inventory. Today we're looking at a 2019 Chevy Trax. As you can see by the sticker on the windshield, this is one of our demo vehicles. It had just recently come out of service and is still being sold as a new vehicle. That means you qualify for the new vehicle incentives for this month on the Trax, as well as an additional discount for it being a demo vehicle. This is a great way to get yourself into a new car and save a lot of money and still have the full coverage of a manufacturer's warranty. We can take a look inside and see some of the features this Trax has to offer. Very nice dashboard, leather wrapped steering wheel, and a very nice entertainment system. If there are any questions about the Chevy Trax or any other vehicles that we have on the lot, please don't hesitate to reach out to our sales department. We can be reached at 708-429-3000. That's 708-429-3000. You can also check us out online at applechevy.com. Thanks so much.